Alternatively, you can visualize this problem using the model. In the beginning, we are told that Mrs. Wu spent 1 unit out of the total 6 units on 1 dress and 2 blouses. Since she spent 1 unit of the total 6 units, the remainder will be 5 units. And 1 dress is 3 units, 2 blouses is 1 unit plus 1 unit, which is 2 units. And the total here makes up 5 units. Hence, we need to change this 1 unit to become 5. We times 5 to become 5 units. The total times 5 becomes 30 units. 5 units times 5, that becomes 25 units. Now, 25 units is the remainder, which is split into 4 parts. Out of these 4 parts, 3 parts were used to buy a watch. And we are told that the watch cost $220.50 more than 1 dress. 1 dress is 3 units, and 220.50 more will be the watch. So this whole part here is the amount for the watch, and 1 part is left. So we have 3 units plus 220.50. If we want to split this into 3 exact parts, we can see it will be 1U, 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 and the 220.50 will be split into 3. That's 73.50. And to find 1 part, it will just be 1 unit plus 73.50. And that's how we get this part. Now the total here is 4 parts. So we have 4 parts here. And 4 parts will be 4 units plus 220.50 plus 73.50. And that gives us 294. So the 25 units here will be 4 units plus 294. That makes 294 21 units. So since 21 units is 294, we can find 1 unit, which is 14. And the total amount that Mrs. Wu had at first is 30 units. So we take 14 times 30, and that gives us $420.